Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before we proceed with the video, don't forget to subscribe, click on that bell so you can stay up to date with my other videos. Alright, so for this particular painting, we're going to be using these three palette knives. The first two are to create the background, to create lines and shapes, and to drag and scrape some of the paint across the canvas. And then the right palette knife, I wanted to use that to create the leaves. I wanted to create and have them all be the same size, the same shape. You'll also need some brushes, and that is to paint the tree and the branches. So let's get started. For the background, I wanted to use different shades of grays. If you don't have that, you can always use black and white and just mix it and create the different shades that way. When laying down the different colors, try not to place them together. I did it somewhat in some of these areas, but you know, it can get challenging, you know, because as you start moving around, especially with me filming, it's hard to you know, to see all the colors, and you're trying to rush through it, so some of the colors may end up next to each other. You know, try not to do that, just to spread all the different colors around. And if you do, you know, it's fine. I mean, you can either go over it with another color once it dries, or just leave it as is. But, you know, the key is to try to spread all the colors all around the canvas. The main thing to keep in mind is, you know, we're having fun, you know, we're experimenting. You know, there's no right way to do this. So just make sure that, you know, don't get flustered, frustrated. You know, it all takes practice. You know, it may not look beautiful, or, you know, it may not look the way you want it at the beginning. You just keep adding with the palette knives, the leaves, and it'll start coming together. And like I said, we're just having fun. Unfortunately, the camera's not picking up all the different colors, the different shades, the different hues. On camera, it looks like it's the same color next to each other, but in person, you can see the different shades of blue, green. It looks more vibrant in person.